Hello kids, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So kids, our today's topic is ib words. So we have already done vowel A and vowel E words. So today we will begin with vowel I words, and the sound of I is E and the sound of B is B. So E and B, when they come close together, it will become ib. It will become ib. Okay. So you know the sound of I, E, and B, B. So E, B, ib. E, B, ib. Okay. Now in your phonics book on page number 10, there are some ib words. So let's discuss one by one. So I told you that E and B, when we combine both these letters, it will become ib. So our first word is B, ib, bib. The first word is B, ib, bib. Okay. Okay, kids. And the sound of B is B, and when we'll combine B with ib, it will become bib. The next word is N, and the sound of N is N. So na, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. Okay. Then the last word is R and rib. The last word is rib. So rib begins with letter R, and the sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. So r, ib, rib. R, ib, rib. Okay. Now let's discuss it with the help of flashcards. So kids, what is this? E, b, ib. E, b, ib. So when I will write here b, I will write here b. So b, ib, bib. Okay. It will become bib because I added here b. So b, and here it is ib. It will become bib. B, ib, bib. Okay. Now I will add r here. See? R, ib, rib. Okay. R, ib, rib. It will become r, ib, rib. Okay. Now if I'll add one more flashcard, n, ib, nib. Na, ib, nib. Okay, so these are three ib words. Na, ib, nib. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of nib. So kids, nib is the pointed end part of the pen. So nib is the pointed end part of the pen. Okay. So kids, let's write it and then I will explain you. Okay. So put the date on the top, like today is 20, and which month is going on? July. And which year is going on? 2020. Okay. Now I will tell you the meaning of all these three words. So number one is nib. How we will write nib? Na plus ib is equal to nib. And what is nib? Nib is the pointed end part of the pen with the help of which we write. Okay, the nib distributes the ink. Okay, so nib is the part of the pen through which we write. Alright, so let's make a nib here. Now how we will make a nib? See, so this is a nib. Okay, this is a nib. So this is the pointed end part of the pen. Okay, and we call it a nib. Now number 2. So naib, nib, and next is nib. After nib it is bib. B, ib is equal to bib. Kids, try to read with the help of phonics. Okay, do not read it as B plus IB. No, you have to read it like this: B, ib, bib. Na, ib, nib. Okay. Now bib. So what is bib? You all know? So bib is a piece of cloth or plastic fastened around the child's neck to keep its cloth clean. Okay, so to keep the child's cloth clean, we usually tied a bib, a piece of cloth around the child's neck, so that whenever he or she will eat something, the clothes will not get dirty. So kids, when you were small babies, then your mother must have tied bib around your neck so that your clothes will not get dirty whenever you eat something. Okay, so bib is fastened around the neck to keep the child's cloth clean. Let's make a bib now. So this is a bib. Okay, this is a bib which is fastened around child's neck to keep the clothes clean. So number 3, rib. R, ib, rib. R, ib, rib. And what is the meaning of rib? What is rib? Rib, they are the curved bones of the chest, you know. These are the curved bones of the chest, and it protects various vital organs such as heart, lungs, liver. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like. So this is the structure of a rib. Okay, so it looks something like this. Kids, you have to make all these drawings. Okay, you have to make it. So this is the structure of a rib. Okay, do make it. See, ma'am is making it for you and you have to copy it. So these 3 words you have to write in your notebook only. Okay, you have to write these 3 words, put the date on the top, put the heading, and write these 3 words. Let's revise. Na, ib, nib. Ba, ib, bib. R, ib, rib. And please make these 3 pictures also. Okay, so the meaning of nib, it is the pointed end part of the pen through which we write. So with the help of the nib, we write on a paper. It distributes the ink. Bib, it is a small piece of cloth or plastic fastened around the child neck to keep its cloth clean. Next is rib. So what is rib? Rib are the curved bones of the chest, and it protects vital organs such as heart, lungs and liver. Okay kids, so do write these 3 words in the similar pattern, in the same pattern, and draw these 3 pictures and share your work with me. Okay, bye, take care, we will meet soon again. Bye bye kids.